we're going to call today. Get a little bit lower here.
Turn your left.
Okay.
He's above us. He's going up.
Okay. He's got altitude above.
Yeah, he's behind us now.
Okay.
He's turning towards that way.
Okay.
So he's clear.
I think it'd be a good idea. We'll make another landing on runway 32 today.
32?
Yeah.
Okay. Crosswind, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you remember the pattern set up?
Yeah. 1300 above couples.
Right. Alright, you want to take the plane?
Okay, my plane.
So the important thing is, with the wind as strong as it is and gusting, in fact, it's really coming a lot more north now.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we're going to make a right pattern for 5. So come back to the right.
Right?
Yes. We're going to make a right pattern for 5. Does that make sense to you?
Okay.
Okay. So you want to start. You're going to make a turn to the right, 180 to the right now.
180 to the right?
Or go ahead, make it to the left.
Okay.
Okay, and now you're going to be on a downwind, or right downwind for runway 5. Keep going, turn steeper. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Ah, okay, I get what you mean.
Okay, so here's our downwind.
Right, you got it, right?
Here's our base, I got it. Okay, let's check our brakes. Trim all the way forward.
Trim forward.
No flying.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I was confused exactly what kind of pattern you wanted me to do.
Yeah.
Like I thought you wanted me to do a full pattern and fly all the way over there and then fly back again.
Right, no, we need a right pattern, which means right turns for 5.
Okay.
Because I saw it going into two.
Yeah, I thought you wanted me to fly a little bit more and then go fly back again.
No.
Yeah.
It was just, I saw the wind side. You can feel right now, it just switched around, so it's coming right out of the north. Or northwest. It's kind of weird, you know. At the end there, it was like that last time on the ridge. It was like the wind shifted or something. So
Yeah, it's because